A reliable setup can transform the way you care for your bike, making every tune-up easier and more precise. The best bicycle maintenance stand offers stability, convenience, and hands-free access, helping riders tackle repairs confidently and keep performance smooth without hassle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. CXWXC Lightweight Bicycle Stand. The CXWXC Lightweight Bicycle Stand is designed for cyclists who want stability, mobility, and comfort while performing routine maintenance or repairs. Its 360-degree rotatable clamp makes a noticeable difference when adjusting angles, allowing you to work on any part of your bike without awkward repositioning. The clamp's secure hold pairs well with the adjustable height system, which helps you maintain a natural working posture and avoid unnecessary bending. Built with a durable alloy barrel, the stand stays impressively light while maintaining strength, and its 60-pound weight capacity is more than adequate for most road and mountain bikes. The corrosion-resistant construction ensures longevity, even if the stand is stored in a garage or shed. One of the standout features is the included tightening rod, which prevents front wheel swiveling, a small detail that significantly improves stability. The triangle base with rubber feet adds another layer of security by providing a firm, scratch-free grip on any surface. Whether you're cleaning your drivetrain, tuning your derailleurs, or making quick adjustments before a ride, this stand brings convenience and efficiency to every task. Overall, it's a reliable, lightweight, and well-engineered choice for home mechanics who want dependability without unnecessary bulk.
Number 2. CXWXC 88LBS Bicycle Stand. The CXWXC 88LBS Bicycle Stand delivers strong performance for both light and heavy bikes, making it a smart fit for home mechanics and hobbyists who work on a variety of models. Capable of supporting up to 88 pounds, it handles e-bikes, fat tire bikes, and traditional road or mountain bikes with confidence. The durable alloy construction keeps the stand lightweight while offering the stability needed during detailed repair work. Its ABS-coated clamps hold frames securely without causing scratches, and its 360-degree rotating head allows you to position your bike exactly where you need it. With an adjustable height range from 44.45 inches to 66.45 inches, you can work standing or sitting without straining your shoulders or back. The tripod base creates a strong, wide footprint that holds up well on a variety of surfaces, and its quick-release collars make setup and breakdown smooth and efficient. When folded, the stand stores compactly, making it ideal for limited workshop space or travel. Its compatibility with tubes from 25 to 45 millimeters broadens its versatility, ensuring it fits most bikes. Whether you're handling lubrication, brake adjustments, cleaning, or full tune-ups, this stand strikes an excellent balance of strength, portability, and ease of use. Number 3. BikeHand Workstand Bicycle Stand. The BikeHand Workstand Bicycle Stand focuses on portability and user-friendly design while maintaining the strength needed for daily bike maintenance. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it's easy to carry, set up, and store, yet it remains sturdy enough to support bikes up to 55 pounds. The plastic head and clamps are durable and designed to protect your bike's finish while holding it securely during repairs. A key advantage is the quick-release adjustable height system, which ranges from 39 inches to 59 inches, letting you easily position your bike at a comfortable working level. The rotating head adds another layer of convenience, allowing full 360-degree adjustment for better access to tight areas, such as derailleurs or brake calipers. The clamp teeth and locking mechanism are well built, ensuring the bike stays stable regardless of angle. A thoughtful addition is the magnetic tool plate, which helps keep bolts, screws, and small tools organized within reach so you don't misplace parts mid-repair. When folded, the stand becomes compact enough to store in narrow spaces or transport in a vehicle. Overall, it's a dependable option for cyclists who want a strong yet portable stand that makes routine maintenance more efficient and enjoyable.
Number 4. VEVOR Max 80 Bicycle Stand. The VEVOR Max 80 bicycle stand offers impressive load capacity and adjustability, making it suitable for everything from lightweight road bikes to heavier electric models. Constructed from heavy-duty, rust-resistant steel, it holds up to 80 pounds while maintaining stability through a four-legged, non-slip base. This broader platform keeps the stand steady, even during more demanding tasks, such as drivetrain cleaning or gear adjustments. The height adjustment range, from 42.5 to 74.8 inches, gives users full flexibility to work seated or standing, reducing strain on the neck and back. Its upgraded 360-degree rotating clamp accommodates tubes from 25 to 40 millimeters and opens up to 50 millimeters, making it compatible with a wide range of frame styles and seat posts. The clamp's heat-treated hardware ensures durability and consistent performance over time. A notable advantage is the included fixing rod, which stabilizes the front wheel by attaching either to the handlebar or wheel itself. Its multi-hole strap design helps eliminate unnecessary wobbling, especially useful during tasks requiring precision. The stand's robust design and practical adjustability make it a dependable tool for hobbyists and more serious cyclists alike. Whether performing full tune-ups or simple checks, it brings both strength and convenience to your maintenance routine.
Number 5. Rad Cycle Clamp Bicycle Stand. The Rad Cycle Clamp Bicycle Stand combines durability and ease of use, offering a solid platform for anyone handling bike repairs at home or in a small workshop. With a maximum capacity of 66 pounds, it supports a wide range of bicycles, while its heavy-duty construction ensures stable performance throughout your tasks. The telescoping stand adjusts from 41 inches to 75 inches, allowing users of different heights to work comfortably without bending or stretching awkwardly. Compatible with frame tubing between 1 inch and 1.5 inches, the clamp provides a secure hold that won't damage paint or finish, and its 360-degree rotation makes accessing different parts of the bike smooth and effortless. The stand also comes with an adjustable handlebar rod that stabilizes the front wheel, reducing shaking during delicate maintenance work. Users will appreciate the foldable legs, which simplify transport and storage, especially in tight spaces. Setting up the stand is straightforward with the included hex key, making it accessible even for beginners. Whether you're performing brake adjustments, shifting calibration, cleaning, or installing new components, this stand provides the stability and convenience needed for effective maintenance. It's a well-built and practical choice for anyone wanting reliable home repair support.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.